It turns off itself.
What's happening?
SR20.
Out for a drive.
Out to fucking see why it's all worth it.
Is it worth it?
This thing has been wrecking my head the last couple of days.
Why, what happened?
It's cursed.
Is it cursed?
It's cursed.
Well, now well, the credit union owns it, so.
That's it. It's their problem.
Why is it cursed, Josh?
Oh man. Just everything. It's cursed.
Oh, I remember these.
You recognise them?
Adrian Welsh.
Yeah. Were they on the back of the yellow car, or were they on?
They were for a while. For a while, they were on the yellow twin cam. Yeah. They're cool.
See, if you say it's cursed, it'll end up kind of acting like it's cursed.
They're all cursed, right?
They are. It's a fucking Sylvia.
You know, I brought it all down to the injectors, right? I bought new ones. They came yesterday. I put them in, and the plugs on the loom are different to the injectors.
Why?
So sometime has fitted the wrong injectors to the car. Early 180 type.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Snacks.
great. It's nice though when you look under here.
Oh, that's tiny.
Oh, it's great.
Most people just
Yeah.
butcher a hole in it. Very nice.
Well, it has an engine. So what injectors are you using now then? Amons?
They're still Amons, yeah. The new ones are still on shelf.
That's nice.
I have to buy new.
It is nice, isn't it? It'd be nice now on the outside. It looks as nice as the inside. So your M Sport bonnet is a copy of the good line.
Has to be.
Can't be a good line.
You can't beat the good line.
Line there somewhere.
We were here last weekend. Now we're here
Yeah.
once again.
Back again.
Back once again. It's the, I don't know, fill in the blank. The Renegade Master.
No.
No, you're not the Renegade Master.
Some stoner that picked up a welder.
Yeah, so we're doing the other arch now.
Yeah.
Arch Nemesis.
Yeah. Nice. I like it. 'Cause, yeah, they're a bumhole. Because just arches always rust. Always.
Yeah, and these will probably rust because they just rust. Moisture.
Yeah. Hopefully not for a while.
No, I'll try my hardest to make sure it
Sure, we'll
doesn't.
cavity wax the crap out of it.
Yeah, we will.
And there's no, because we've used the bar. There's no water trap.
Yeah,
There's no layers.
that's what does it, doesn't it? There's that pinch
Yeah.
trap on the inside.
Yeah, there's the pinch weld for our American cousins, or spot welds,
Yeah.
as they're called in the civilized world. Yeah, there's a seam along here, and obviously wheels, puddles,
Yeah.
shite, and in between the spot welds you get little gaps in the steel, and all the crap just sits in there, and hey,
Rots from the inside out.
You can have a really lovely car, and then you've got a little bubble here or two in
Yeah.
the arches, and there's, unless you get the car from new and pump it full of cavity wax,
It's probably going
it's
to,
probably going to happen.
yeah, no matter what.
Yep.
Because it's in it where you were showing me, was a condensation sits on the inside of the skin then as
Yeah.
well, and that also trickles down
sits
and just
down
pools there, and then eventually it goes, hey, here I am.
And for reasons, only known to God and Toyota and various other manufacturers, the sealant that they use in there is porous. I don't know whether it's always porous or whether the spot welds boil it and make it porous.
Okay.
But it's just like this spongy,
Yeah, I've seen it
right
when
there,
you're,
it's
yeah.
just spongy, and it's just
And it
perfect
just-
for holding water
Yeah,
right here.
and just rots it away. Yeah.
And where that sealer isn't, there'll be perfect condition
Yeah.
metal, but underneath the sealer it's just brown. It's like, you assholes.
It's like they did it on purpose, the
It
cunts.
absolutely looks like that.
I'd say they hate the fact these cars are still around.
Yeah.
God damn it. I wish we had planned obsolescence back in the day.
Obsolescence, yeah.
Yeah.
They probably did. Because I remember in college they were saying for an extra, I think it's £2 or £3 per unit back then in 99 or
Yeah, yeah,
2000 whatever. They could rust proof each vehicle for at least 15 years, 20 years, if not longer.
But they don't want
extra
to.
dipping, extra cavity.
Yeah.
Not moisture holding
Yeah.
sealers that sit there right by your wheel arch and
But they don't care.
collect all. No, they don't. Of course, they don't fucking care. They want you to buy the next one the next
Yeah.
year, or the next 6 months now, isn't it?
Yeah. Get your electronic vehicle.
Yeah.
Mine all that stuff. get rid of a perfectly fine car, which you could actually just repair, which is the most like we're doing the most economic, environmentally friendly thing possible.
Reduce, reuse, recycle, motherfuckers.
Yeah, and instead of that, there should also be reduce, reuse, recycle, and repair. Restore. Yeah. There should be 4 R's.
They're saying it's better for the environment than instead of going out and buying an electric car or a brand new hybrid, because of all the material costs, you know, of like getting those really precious ores with poor little third world country children digging them out of the fucking ground and then shipping that halfway across the planet, burning what is essentially crude oil
in a container ship to get it
here,
unbelievable.
Or you buy a 10-year-old 1 litre Nissan Micra and you're doing the earth a favor.
Yeah, it's already after paying its way.
It's done. You know, you don't have to kill third world people to make your fancy batteries. A 10-year-old car is better for the...
that brand new Tesla has to be shipped here somehow, and it doesn't get shipped here in an environmentally friendly boat.
Once the technology matures, and you know you can have batteries that don't cost the earth, like almost literally to make. You know, you can recycle them or whatever. Then it becomes feasible.
But we're not there.
No, we're not.
But it's been pushed down our throats as well, so it's like...
I think there's a lot to be said for, like, if they really want to save money and costs and that, is to make conversion kits for ship boxes like this, where you can get a generic electric motor that you can slap in the front. Because I've seen, like, there's a BMW at work, an X3, and it's a fully electric. And all they've done is just gotten an X3, pulled the petrol or stupid diesel engine out of it, and thrown in an electric motor.
Because they don't need to be pulled out of the ground anymore, they're already in existence.
Yeah.
Like, how unbelievable is it that, especially in Ireland, they're forcing everyone to sell their cars, they get crushed then for scrap, so just the effort to crush it down into its component parts.
And then they send
that raw metal then, back across the globe
to other countries that we won't mention, that are our financial adversaries.
Yes.
And we give all our steel, used steel to them, and it's stupid. It makes zero
just for it to
sense.
come back again in a different form for us to be like, oh wow, now we're being environmentally friendly. I don't know. Maybe we don't know what we're talking about, but it sounds like
we should have like a thing at the bottom of the screen, like, this is not the opinions of YouTube or some rational people.
Yep. The future is
bleak
for people like us. Ah well. There's at least another 9 years. Is it 9 years? 2030 is when they reckon they were going to try push it, so I don't know. 8 years. I love how strong the arches are now. You're baiting the shit out of it with a hammer and it's like not going anywhere. It's beautiful. That's good. That means I can bait it with a wheel. Bait it. Dead leg from kneeling down for a bit.
I can't actually stand up from them because they're both like... Oh, they're coming back. There we go. We're getting there. Half an hour, at least.
So when you get engrossed in what you're doing and your legs just...
Yeah.
They're probably like, hey, stand up. And you're like, I'm not even paying attention, sorry.
What you can do, probably lowers the heart rate to like like just
Yeah, wow, just straight in.
Yes, the cowboy one.
Yeah.
My boots dusty.
Yeah.
That's like my boots dusty.
Thanks, Barry. Thank you for the Barry arches.
Barry arches.
In a sea of people restoring their cars back to OEM, trying to make as much money as possible further down the line, we are going the opposite route. We are destroying and appreciating classic.
Shame
on us
for ruining the market.
for ruining, yes.
Poor people like us.
Yeah. This is what poor people do to appreciate assets.
Yeah. Yeah.
We wreck them.
This is still appreciating us. This is still worth.
It is, but
see, because you built it era specific, like
Yeah.
it still captures a market.
I guess
Because these were being done back, back in the day.
it's millennium spec stuff.
And you have parts,
Yeah, everything is
kind of-
from that era. Look how straight into the danger. Fuck everything. Fuck you and your fucking tools.
He's welcome.
He is. He's great.
How are you?
People keep harassing me to make a Ralph sticker.
I know, yeah.
We probably should.
He's awesome.
Just like he's just sitting there. I don't know. An unusual amount of requests.
Do you like that, Ralphie?
Isn't it funny how him being sound is easily translatable through a video? Everyone's just like, fuck, he looks sound. I think that's great. Oh yeah, I love this. This is great.
You're actually on me now. Are we going for walkies?
Yeah, that's like, he's like, I need to go for a walk.
Sound Ralph.
Right, see you soon.
Your arches.
Yeah, Barry, they're gorgeous. Like, I'm not just saying
They're
that to...
bullocks to get right.
Yeah.
So they look somewhat similar and
Yeah.
all that.
I'm not trying to lick the hole off you because I know you don't care. I just am genuinely excited
know
about
if I
him.
could, like.
Yeah. Yeah, we all would. Yeah, they're gorgeous, man. Not too big, not too small, perfect.
Yeah.
It's exactly what I was looking for. Thank you.
Nearly jacked the car up off of them.
Yeah, they're fucking strong, man. The arches.
The pockets.
Traffic. There's someone half fours and then forgets about you. It's just
Ralph.
Oh, you couldn't see that.
It's very hard to see around here.
287. Why is it 170? Yeah.
Well glad.
Well, lad. You've filled my hole, Barry.
Filled your hole.
That's gorgeous, man.
Almost speed holes.
That is very aesthetically pleasing.
Getting there.
That's the long weld, lad.
Long weld. Oh, Long Johnson.
Yeah, that's lovely. Thank you. It's like we're in a vlog. The music is just on the background. It's like
It's weird. In a vlog.
yeah.
Just the tab to put in there.
Yeah, savage.
That's it.
That's fucking great. Look at that. It's all seamless now. That's beautiful, man. Just the lovely natural shape that you've given them as well. Kind of coming in and out, and it follows like almost like the factory form.
That's what we're trying to do.
I know, yeah, but just losing the flat edge on the front. Beautiful. Jesus Christ, man! You're
Toyota
fucking-
Druff. It's the die grinder.
She just spits it fucking everywhere.
Yeah. It doesn't heat up the panel so much.
All right, so that's why you were doing it. Yeah, it doesn't warp it.
Yeah, no, because it just cuts rather than like.
Yeah.
Run sparks. You're doing
That's
something-
cooking it, yeah.
Yeah, you did something wrong. You're gonna blunt your tool, hey.
Yeah, nice and strong. Thanks, Barry, because I'll definitely have the car low and there'll be wheels tapping off them. So, and then it'll just go up here or somewhere else. Beautiful. Yeah. Hi, Ralph.
Hey, Ralph.
You happy cunt?
Yeah.
There's trouble.
I'm a new child.
He's like, oh fuck, I don't know. I want to lick, and he's like, ah fuck, I have no interest. Please.
Main rocket.
Get me out of here.
The dirt. He just sat in
Oh,
the
he
dirt.
just destroyed the place. Yeah, it really does feel like we're in a live vlog, which we are when this comes out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Barry, look at that.
Ouch. Douch.
Douch.
Douch is done.
Douch is done. You happy? Yeah. Beautiful. Nice.
I love that shit.
You love it, but you don't love doing it.
No.
Because every time I get you to do really terrible shit, you have the worst time ever. Barry actually enjoys all aspects.
Misery.
He takes on that
not
misery
what
with a
you do.
smile. No.
History United.
Yeah. How long you had at Barrett now, Barry? Would it be 20 years?
20 years, yeah.
Yeah,
Like that.
so
And equipment and all that.
yeah, just the correct stuff for the good time.
I think that's the last weld for this side.
Yeah.
And we can, in the next episode,
Yeah.
square away the other wheel out.
Yes. Yes, y'all. Woohoo!
No, I'm fine. What did you just...
I just fucking sat around and I don't know, you wouldn't know with Dan. That's where he got fed up there. And there, yeah. Fuck it.
And we're done.
The car was fully lacquer peeled, like it was all coming off, so. And it'll never be that colour again, I'm sorry to people that.
Not the most desirable colour.
No, I don't think so, it's a sad colour.
Rims!
Looking good. Get the rims on. Oh, it's Jill wouldn't get nothing up there. She's not low enough. That's gorgeous, man. That's fucking savage, man.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Incredible.
Thank you, Barry.
Oh, Jesus, that's unreal.
Isn't it?
Serious.
Oh, beautiful.
One side done.
Watch it. You would get your Mickey in this stroke. Get the Mickey out.
Don't put your hand where you wouldn't put your Mickey.
Touch the rim.
Oh,
The rim.
the rim of the arch.
Neil's stroking his rim.
Ooh. I will. Jeez, I will. I will. Just stand back and look. Ah, you weren't in on the joke. Don't be jealous.
Their fart was a...
Anto's mother was here one day. She was looking at the picture. I was like, that picture's nice. And I was
It's
like,
a lovely,
there's
yeah.
a big dick beside it.
I mean, what do you get? A shed full of fucking immature lads. Like, it's obviously going to be Dick Central.
The big long...
Oh yeah, the long ones. They're just so long.
That joke's in next week, so it is.
Look at, and then the prickly balls. Like,
It's like 5 o'clock shadow.
Only 4 months old.
nice. Just clean his head.
Still has a nice puppy.
Yeah, puppy breath.
Yeah.
Which is
Puppy breath is the thing.
it nice or is it terrible?
It's nice lovely. People like puppy breath. We're all like,
Oh, she nipped my
That's
earlobe.
definitely smelly.
Aww. What
Aren't
is
you
this
lovely?
thing?
Now, yeah.
It's terrible.